Hi friends, in this video let us solve the signal system related question asked in GATE 2005 instrumentation paper. The question is given discrete time sequence x of n is equal to 2, 0, minus 1, minus 3, 4, 1, minus 1. What is x of b on g? What they have given x of n? X of n is 2, 0, minus 1, minus 3, 4, 1, minus 1. And they have stored that this is RMR, so it is 0. This is n minus 1, n minus 2, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. What we have to find is x of e power j pi. X of e power j pi we have to find. What is x of e power j pi? That is x of e power j omega. We know what is that? It is DTFT of x of n. So I find the DTFT of x of n, then I substitute omega is equal to pi. So DTFT is summation n starts from minus 2 and goes up to 4 x of n e power minus j omega n. What is the thing? This is x of e power j omega. We don't need to find j omega, we have to find j pi. So x of e power j pi. So summation n goes to minus 2 to 4 x of n e power minus j pi n, like that. Why I put like that? That is the reason. So it is n goes to minus 2 to 4 x of n e power j pi is 1. So e power j pi is minus 1. So minus 1 power n, which is equal to 1 when n is even. Minus 1 when n is odd. Okay, so now we will expand this. X of minus 2. When you put n is equal to minus 2 even number, so it will become plus 1. Plus x of minus 1. N is equal to minus 1, odd number minus 1. X of 0, 1. And you substitute n as 0. N1 minus 1. N2 plus 1. N3 minus 1. N4 plus 1. So they have given everything. What is x of 0? X of 0 in the problem they have given 2. So 2 into 1. X of minus 2 is 2, it is minus 1. X of minus 1 is minus 1 into, x of minus 1 is 0, right? So x of minus 1, you see n is equal to minus 1, it is 0. So we can remove this. So n is equal to 0, it is minus 1. So n is equal, this one will be out. N is equal to 0, it is minus 1. 1 is order, so right. So next x of 0, x of 1 is minus 3, and we get minus 1 plus x of 1 is 1, then x of 3 it is 1 minus 1, x of 4 it is minus 1. The x of 0, minus 2, minus 3, every value is given here, right? This here. This is x of minus 2. Substitute that x of minus 1, x of 0, x of 1, 2, 3, 4. Substitute all the values and simplify it. What do you get? After simplification, you get 6. So the answer is option, that is that. It is D. Thank you.